The fact that military gear and equipment are extremely costly is well known around the world. So is the ever-increasing military spending of the different countries, with billions allotted to defense budgets each year. However, it is not always clear as to why the procurement and upkeep of military goods cost so much. As civilians, we pay for the defenses of our country, and budgets overrunning into billions year after year is likely to cause annoyance to the regular taxpayer. However, to clear the matter and show the works and flaws of the defense sector, here are a few causes behind the extreme cost of military equipment. Number 1. Design and testing. Military equipment is built for hard times and should be able to function in harsh conditions. This requires years of research, design, and tests of prototypes. The hours, effort, and technology used in these processes requires the brightest minds with extreme attention to detail. Military gear is anyway expensive to produce, but it would be worse if it cost money and simply did not work as expected. Hence, the research and development wings form a backbone of the industry and often costs quite a bit of money. Number 2. Improvements and re-enhancements. The entire point of having a defense machinery is to be able to protect a nation in times of emergency, and that is only possible in the current era if you have technical superiority over your enemies. This is precisely why regular upkeep and revamping of military gear is necessary, so that one is not caught in a situation where you have to use outdated technology in battlefields or in intelligence procurement. This is again a process that requires constant attention and knowledge of advancements in military gear across the globe. Expectedly, it does not come cheap. Number 3. Production costs. This is one of the major causes for military expenditure. As opposed to consumer goods, military equipment is not mass-produced. Hence, setting up a production unit and assembly line requires more money per unit as compared to a commodity that is produced in millions. Also, the upkeep of these facilities is an expensive business, as most of these designs are top secret due to security reasons and need to be guarded around the clock. The same goes for recruiting personnel in these workshops, as no rational administration would want to employ people with past convictions or dubious affiliations to work in a factory that produces ammunition. Number 4. Procurement and import. Most of the countries in the world depend heavily on imports when it comes to ammunition, tanks, fighter jets, and a host of other military equipment. This is precisely where a major amount of the money allotted to the defense sector goes. To import war machinery from other countries like the US, Russia, or France, you do not only have to be on great terms with them, but also pay hefty bills. Running into billions, these procurement agreements hold great geopolitical value and are often used by purchasing nations as a trade-off in other deals. These are the primary causes that make defense bills so large all around the world. Of course, there are a host of other reasons, like corruption in procurement, constant upgradation, and upkeep, but they do not apply all across the board like these 4. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and comment. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel.